Continuing his series of on-ground assessments for administrative reform, the Chief Executive Member of TTAADC, Runiel Debbarma, visited Khumpui Academy on Monday. The premier residential school located in Hathai Kotor is a flagship educational institution run by the Tipra Motha-led TTAADC government. Accompanied by the MDC Debbarma, a team of senior engineers and council officials, the Chief Executive Member conducted a thorough walkthrough of the school premises. The visit focused on evaluating the existing infrastructure and identifying areas of immediate academic and structural improvement. Chief Executive Member Runiel Debbarma interacted with the faculty and staff to understand the challenges faced in delivering quality education. Engineers accompanying the Chief Executive Member were directed to draft plans for necessary renovation and upgrades to the campus. Since assuming the office of Chief Executive Member, Runiel Debbarma has adopted a hands-on strategy for the development of the council areas.
Chini oje Hathai Kotor Chini kaise Khumpui annex school tongo oro phai sing hostel rogo guri ne lekha te school je tongmani class rok cholimen joto ja guri ne lekha amona je tini সমস্যা নুকজাখা তাই স্টাডি রুম করি নুকজাখা তাই ডাইনিং টেবিল চেয়ার করি নুকজাখা গামনো जों immediately amno process khainai ebong immediately samung khai rejaknai o koikdini bisingaw samung jengi rejaknai tai tuini bage engke जों jehetu TTAADC o sini DWS kariba gamno sini state dog way kok salai bahike amno samadhan khaiman amno process chaluknai sinor ni local MDC borong jiten Debbarma khaiman jak pheke sini IS mandai khaiman jak pheke sini executive engineer PWD West division bo khaiman jak pheke sini headmaster tong principal tong school ni tai jotto o hostel ni warden tai teachers ro tong bayo ebong o school lo naithok kai ti sanin sini em je thane 5 bochoro singomno onek kisu samung khainen chesta khakya kintu kisa improve bong khapru nge tabo omno tebo 100% sing effort dona in bagin tinoro visit khepeyo nge o koikdin bisingo যে চিকন সমস্যা না जों আগে সমাধান খাইনে ओमफ्राय কতর সমাধান ব খাইনে গামনো পুইলাও जों অর যে স্টাডি রুম কাইসা অ কসার লন কাহে দं অ লনো সাকাও কাইসা দুই তালা সাকাও কাইসা তিন সেট দুই প্রপারলি ভাবে তলাও টাইলস রগুই ওমনো স্টাডি রুম টেবিল রগনাই অপর রগনাই গে তাইম পরে ডাইনিং টেবিল করি চেয়ার করি ওমনো নাইথক খাই তাইসা washroom rok bathroom rok kaham ke chrai rok te kaham facility mana bo gomno naine ngke tai tei nibo or kerosene bahi ngon complain phayo karon ki o hatai mane am to kusuk jaga or agin simi kerosene bahi ni bai complain ngko tei ni samadhano bahi khaine am naine tai chrai rok tukuma jaga bo je hostel rok ni tukuma jaga bo problem ngke oro singsiwo prai 250 student o Khumpui je o jaga pori tong student ok tong Oron bisingo 150 jon kahingke hostelers ngete 100 jon ke gana gani ni laisi poriyo ba kobamo jagani oro bara tong pori dong okay tabo school lo naithoto khainani tebo facility kaham khainani omno sin chaitum tongnai mane student dongno bahike tebo kaham babe bongno pora lekha ba শিক্ষা rithani simno training rithani ba bongno je facility tongmone hostel lo je facility classroom lo je facility tongmone nai chaitongnai bongni computer class bo soloi tongni ang khobor mano library bo sing improve khainai te bibhinno classroom rogo je 2017 ni building samo 2017 ni building se tabo kisa mo crack khainani surung dong gamono bo bahike immediately maintenance khairi riman omoine sini executive engineer of payment jo khaijak or SDO khaijak gamono no singchai togi samu khaine samu
The visit to Khumpui Academy is seen as part of the Chief Executive Member's broader vision to transform TTAADC into a model of governance. By prioritizing education, health and skill building, the current administration aims to bridge the development gap in the hills. Reporter by Boyar from Hathai Kotor, Chini, Khorang.